Okay.
We'll find out soon enough.
Right. Hoses. Anything we need to check before we do this?
Belt's tight.
Beer on everybody's hand.
Yeah, beer. Oh, wait a minute. I know why.
Champagne.
What?
The
I was just gonna ask, why didn't...
the oil pressure gauge.
That would be helpful.
Ah, plug it in. Who needs a beer?
Me. Ultra, please.
Right?
No, I'm good right now.
Dan?
Anyone have a cutter?
Not yet, thanks. Cutter right here.
Or just need this zip tie? Yeah.
Here's number one. Oh, Jimmy, this thing's gonna rip.
It's gonna be awesome.
It's not gonna be as fast as my Mustang, I promise you.
It won't be fast. But you know what?
You know
It's
what?
more
Whole, I don't know if I agree with that comment.
There's no fucking way.
I do. 100%.
This thing is half the weight.
It doesn't matter. That thing's 3 times the horsepower.
Yeah, but you got a blower on that thing, right? Yeah.
It's a freaking
Runs 1090.
Just trying to be positive.
No. You know what? They're 2 different animals. They're so
I don't know. I think you're gonna have a ball in this.
It's gonna be
Oh,
good.
oh,
time.
he's gonna have a blast.
It's gonna be a good.
Oh,
time.
yeah.
This is a combination of your bike, motorcycle, and your car.
I was actually telling my wife about this car because I'm like, man, for the price you got, this is a total fuck around car. Like,
Oh, for the money you pay for this?
dude, I'd be fucking
I
side.
could crash it twice and it would still be.
I'd be coming around every corner in a fishtail.
Tony.
Let's not
You
even
can
go
Tony it
on.
twice,
Tony
right?
crashed it once and he's at 100 grand.
All right.
Go ahead, Greg.
Let's do this thing.
No, this is you, Jimmy.
You know what,
You
Jimmy?
gotta
No,
do
no,
it.
For what you got in here, you could build almost 5
Yeah,
of these cars
Greg,
when
you gotta
Michael paid for
You gotta
his.
turn it over. This is all your hard work. I did it the first time.
They're cool in it and everything, right?
As far as there was last time we started it.
Okay. Hands down, everything's.
sorry.
Last time.
Ready?
Yeah. Clear. Clear.
It does.
Do we? I forgot. What did we decide last
The
time?
shorting pin,
The
whatever it is.
Spout.
yeah,
Yeah.
it's about.
What about it?
Is it in or out?
I don't know.
It should be.
We took it out last
But
time.
we plugged it back in.
What was it? It was a wire. It was a wire or something, right?
No,
Yeah.
there was like a spout connection, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was a weird thing. It looked like a fuse holder almost.
Yeah, it was something weird. We need it out either way.
Hell, I don't know where that is.
Yeah, it's.
Buried
Hey, by the
down
way,
here.
guys, it started right up.
It did.
It did. That was.
That so right there is
It-
a
it-
You have a light? Anyone?
No,
It was
the
kind of
back
like in
there.
a weird spot in the middle because we wanted to make it a set.
I'll just
It's
have
right to the right of
Oh,
the
here.
wheel.
What is that? No.
Yeah,
It's just a small prong.
I'm just glad I got the timing right.
Nailed it.
Nailed it!
Nailed it! I'm like, oh please.
Because
don't be
we wanted it where
I don't want to
we
pull
were
the
able to
trigger
get
out.
to it. I remember that much.
It was a pink wire, wasn't it?
It was something weird. It was.
It was oddball. I remember that. And we struggled because I was very wrong on what I said was.
Hold on.
Yeah, see
Jimmy,
the, look
Jimmy,
at
can I hand you
Just say we just want to go for just 10.
What's that?
10 degrees is what you're going to go for on this one, so you can run an 87.
Yeah, it's in
Or you want to bump it up a little
Where are
bit?
you at right now?
I don't know where I'm at. The spot was in it. It was like at 30. All right. We good?
Oh, we'll find out.
Contact.
You didn't put in gear or anything? You're good? Ready?
Yeah.
Wipe your head, Brian.
That's how we good.
Now, gauge is not working.
But the fuel gauge did. I thought the fuel gauge wouldn't be at. Got checked out.
Now restart it. See how easy it starts. That's 12 degrees.
All right, hold on.
We need to stuff something behind the seat, so it, like maybe one of those pillows.
I got life insurance.
Yeah, those are connected. Hold on. Here, I'll find you some.
Well, let's go back there.
Oh, yeah.
That was in the car.
We don't know if that's gonna be enough.
Maybe 2 of those, or?
Oh, actually,
Awesome.
how about in that roller?
Well, that 2x6.
Am I okay right
Whatever,
here?
4x6.
Where'd that go?
Jesus Christ, there's no sides on this thing.
Just pretend you're riding a freaking Jeep.
He didn't even glue the carpet down.
The floor carpet is not glued yet.
There, Jimmy.
You got
See
another
that.
clip for this? Or one will do it?
The steering wheel was holding it on that side.
Yeah, but if you have another one, it'd be very helpful.
That's good enough.
Please don't do anything stupid because there's no side.
You good with that? Or actually, lean forward one more time.
You can push it if you need to.
What is this? Grandma all set up here?
Yeah.
I gotta get my hemorrhoid pillow.
It's stuck on the board. There we go. There we go. That way we won't jump the seat.
Oh, this is legit. Okay, let's do this.
Standing here in the wrong place. You have the first thing I would do. Make sure they have brakes.
Yeah.
Magnet?
Got it above 2,000 RPM.
Somebody's getting that.
He's getting more and more confident.
He is. You hear those deers?
It does.
Come on, Jamie, give us a smile, damn it.
Congratulations.
Thank you, everybody. So it's definitely bottoming out, like
Oh,
the suspension.
that's little stuff. Yeah.
In the extra large bar. Extra well done. And then how many do your salads?
I feel better.
Glad you're getting into video. You don't have a family
Wait
salad?
a second for Craig to come back.
Can I get a special?
You will. Yeah.
Not the spicy buffalo, chopped salad.
Keep it back high or low or what?
Keep it
Higher.
Then drop it down like that.
Right there?
Yep.
Far forward, okay.
Okay,
How are
now,
we doing?
She's like, there's no way I'm not going to be a part of this.
Go in the middle.
She's like, I have to be a part of the video.
on the wrong side of the brake line.
Oh, there's studs on this one.
Yeah, how?
She's a good girl. She's a good girl. Yes, you are.
Oh, and slide in, don't they?
Yeah.
There you go. Now you're in.
Okay.
Okay, back.
Now come to the side stand and pull it out a little bit. And then go down.
We still got to come back more.
Oh, you're stuck in your gas filler.
I used to hold these in and they'll fall out.
We're still short.
I'm pulling back the whole time.
It'll stretch, I think.
Yeah, it'll
You
stretch.
gotta, that's why you,
If you need to remove that board, then let it stretch.
yeah, just kind of pull it.
Wow.
It's a car.
Beautiful.
Looks so beautiful.
Pretty red.
It
That
is.
a really pretty red.
Yeah, we're gonna be jacking it up a little bit. Oh, we know it's low.
It looks really good. With the black tires, too.
Yeah, I am low.
It is. But actually, you're off-road height here.
Yeah.
When did you build yours, Jose?
Are you recording? No? Okay.
Dan,
It's okay.
you put a spacer on that, you need even more room on the 315 mod.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to, yeah.
So, remember the 315 mod we were running the hard suits, can't do it? Cut all that out?
Yeah.
You put a spacer on that, fill that wheel well, it's gonna
Bye.